Hello guys, welcome back to this weekly market and portfolio update. We're gonna hop right into the weekly market update and go into my portfolio afterwards. But anyways guys, make sure you guys enjoy, like, subscribe, and let's get right into the video.
I believe I'll get up.
With that in mind guys, this past week we've seen some mixed economic data, with the producer price index coming in hotter than expected at 0.9% year over year and 0.3% month over month. Core PPI jumped back up to 2% year over year. These numbers suggest that inflation is not dead and that we might need to keep an eye on it. With that guys, the 10-year treasury yield rose to 4.29% and the first Fed rate cut is now expected in June. As you guys may know, it's earnings seasons and it has continued this week with several big name companies reporting their quarterly results. Overall, the results have been mixed, with some companies surpassing expectations while others fell short. Notable reports came from Nvidia, Palo Alto Networks, and Toll Brothers. With that in mind guys, we're going to look at the market performance. Major US stock indices experienced a somewhat volatile week. The Dow Jones Industrial Average and S&P 500 both ended the week slightly down, while the Nasdaq managed to eke out a small gain. The mixed performance can be attributed to ongoing uncertainty surrounding inflation and interest rates. The global economic outlook remains uncertain as central banks worldwide grapple with inflation and the potential for slowing growth. In Europe, the European Central Bank managed its hawkish stance, while the Bank of England raised interest rates to combat inflation. In Asia, the Bank of Japan maintained its ultra-loose monetary policy, while the People's Bank of China took steps to support its economy. With that in mind guys, the oil and gas market saw a slight decrease this week, with WTI crude oil closing at $78.25 a barrel. Natural gas prices also experienced a modest uptick as the EIA reported a smaller than expected increase in US natural gas inventories.
Triumph!
Finally guys, the cryptocurrency market had a relatively noisy week, with Bitcoin and Ethereum trading and pumping. Bitcoin ended the week at around 52,000 while Ethereum traded near 28,000. In conclusion guys, the past week has been marked by mixed economic data, earnings reports, and market performance. Inflation remains a key concern for investors and central banks worldwide are taking steps to address it. As always, it's important to stay informed and adapt to the ever-changing market conditions. Anyway guys, we're going to hop right into the portfolio update. Let's get right into it. So my market value right now, guys, is about $1,900. We're profiting about $56.30 right now. We're going to start with SCHD. I think that would be a good choice to start with. We're at 8.363 shares at an average cost of $76.18. Profiting about $11.79. It makes up about 34.2% of my portfolio, so we're looking really good with that so far, guys. The expense ratio on this ETF is amazing. It's 0.06%. The dividends are amazing as well. It's a good hedge against inflation and any market downturns or anything like that. So we're gonna hop right into VU next. With VU, guys, it's 1.485. I haven't really added a lot this week, guys. Maybe about $100 added. The prices haven't been very appealing to me. They seem a little bit high and a little bit pushed up by Nvidia's pump and their earnings report. So I'm kind of gonna see what happens. But of course guys, I'm DCAing, I'm dollar cost averaging. I don't give a fuck what the price is. I'm doing it every week. So I invested 100 this week. So if the price does go down significantly, I'll probably invest another 100, but just based off of that alone, we're going to keep investing. So we're profiting about $26 today. And I'm currently at an average cost of $447.22. And this makes up about 36.3% of my portfolio. So we're sitting really good with VU right now, guys, and it's amazing. Now for the final, guys, VYM, Vanguard High Yield Dividend ETF, is sitting at 4.413 shares, so we're getting pretty close to double-digit shares now. We're not there, but, you know, we're there. You know what I'm saying? We're profiting about $15.16, which is great. What I've known with Vanguard is I profit amazing with these guys. Schwab is all right for dividends, but they don't really show me the money like Vanguard does. So I just want to say shout out to Vanguard. This is not financial advice, by the way. I'm just shouting them out. Currently have an average cost of $111.61, invested a total of $507, and it makes up about 26.7% of my portfolio so far. So we're sitting really good with VYM. Let's hop right into my dividends next, though. Looking at my dividends, guys, it kind of went up just a little bit. Not too bad, you know, we're kind of settling down a little bit. So we're at $46.85 annual dividend income. Monthly is $3.90, daily is 13 cents, yield on cost is 2.54%, and our total yield is 2.47%. And of course, Schwab US dividend liquidity is our top leader right now, $21.90. VU is in second place, $9.44, or I apologize, that's in third place. VYM is in second place with $14.80. So looking really good right now, guys. I don't really have a lot this week. I didn't really add that much, but next week I will have some more money going in, and I got some ideas coming up. So thank you guys so much for watching and supporting me. Make sure you guys check out the video yesterday. Just a little investment ideas and, you know, advice for you guys. Of course, not financial advice once again. But make sure you guys like and subscribe. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. And thank you guys so much. And I'll see you guys in the next video.